Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. All right, on today's episode, we're going to give you some updates on the 71 Chevy pickup. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching. So we've got a few of the things painted. This is the front of the bed. It's the part that's right up against the cab. And then if we go over here, one of the bed sides is painted over here. So this would be the passenger side. And then we've got a few more things in the paint booth that are hanging up. We got, looks like one of the doors and the other bedside. This bedside had a door ding in it when we got it. So we're making some progress. It's looking good. All right, so I thought I'd show you this. Right now we're working on putting air conditioning in this truck. We've got it partially installed. I didn't want to film it. It was it's a long process. It's pretty involved, and it's really not that exciting stuff. But figured I'd just give you guys some updates on it and show you what's going on with it. This is the Old Air brand of air conditioning. All right, let's take a peek inside the booth. Ed painted some more of the truck yesterday, so let's check it out. Try to give you guys a view that'll keep the glare down a little bit. Starting to put the front on, putting the box back together.
Oh, it did it? Flat washers? All right, we'll do it the way the factory did it then.
It's all both on.
You're fine.
Getting the next side put on. It's a little bit of a challenge getting it all fit on there, but it's getting there. Starting to look more like a bed. Probably getting a little glare. Hopefully I'll squeeze in a little bit and There you go.
You want to tighten these up?
Yeah, you can tighten them up.
Let's turn.
It's higher everywhere. It doesn't matter. They're literally killing people because they don't have to do anything. Once they get you in the hospital, it's worse than shoveling shit. Oh, more shoveling shit. Yo, yeah, that's worse. Yeah, I'll be over there. Oh. Oh, we won't be here on that. We won't have to go to the fishing. That's all I'm getting.
Working on the AC system on this truck. I got a little more of this put together up here. A bunch of it's all plumbed in now. There's still more to go, but we're getting there. I'm also working on the inside as well. All right, I'm getting a bunch more of the in-dash stuff put in up underneath the dash. That's big fun. There's a bunch of wiring up there. I kind of started tucking everything up, underneath there. But it's got a little ways to go. We got to get the glove box in yet and make sure that that's, going to fit properly and all that stuff. So it's getting there. It's coming along. We got new defrost vents coming. They're ordered. And then we can get those put in when they get here. All right, I'm just starting to suck the AC down to make sure that it holds and that it doesn't have any issues. So hopefully it all got put together properly. The good thing is it's got a little vacuum going right now, but I guess we'll see if it fully sucks down. I'm really hoping it gets down to somewhere between 20 and 30 inches of vacuum. We're coming up on 20 right now. So at this point, I don't think I forgot to tighten anything. We'll just see if it continues to suck down. It's pretty common that this machine sucks down to about 22, 23 pounds, sometimes a little bit more. So we're in pretty good shape right now. So I'm going to let this suck down for like an hour and make sure that it's good and sucked clean, and then make sure it holds a vacuum for quite some time as well, probably about a half an hour, just to make sure we don't have any issues. All right, I've got this so it's holding the vacuum now, and it looks like it's doing pretty well, so I think we got it. I think it's going to seal up just fine. So far we haven't lost any vacuum, so I think the system's all sealed up. All right, so I just charged the AC system in here. Seems to be blowing ice cold now. We just had to do it real quick because there's a lot of things smoking on this truck, and we didn't want to spend a lot of time with it running for filming. But anyway, so the AC system's working. It's blowing cold, so that's exciting stuff. We still got some work to do on the front end of this truck with the belts and the power steering. So got a few more things to do up here, and then we should be able to send it over to the paint booth. 29, 25. Hey guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address below. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time.